Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker unboxing video today. We got a couple boxes over here to open up today and it should be good, man. I mean, I haven't done a sneaker unboxing video in a while, I realized. I do mystery boxes a lot, but in terms of like individual sneaker boxes, I think it's been a couple weeks now. It's been pretty tough to cop shoes now that everybody's like staying indoors and stuff and everybody's like super active on their phones, so it's been tough, but we got a couple shoes in today. Anyway, before we get into the video, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Curology. I've been using Curology for a few months now and I gotta tell you guys, I love this product. I used to be really bad at taking care of my face because honestly guys, there's just so many products out there and I just don't know what to go for, and I just didn't really know what to do in terms of like a facial routine. I mean, as a dude, I don't normally have conversations with my homies like, hey man, what do you do to take care of your acne or those dark spots on your face? It's not something that guys talk about very often, so it's just something that I kind of overlooked, and my face kind of suffered for that. Pretty bad actually. I had a whole bunch of dark spots and a bunch of acne and stuff, but thankfully Curology made it super easy to like figure out what I should do in terms of like a facial routine. Basically all I did was I went to their website and they ask you a few questions about like your face and stuff, and then they just ask you to take a few photos of your face as well. Then a licensed dermatology provider actually reviewed all of my information and they prescribed a specialized formula just for me. Now that's actually what's in this box right here. Let me open it up real quick and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. This is the Curology box that it comes in, guys. Really nice packaging and stuff. And over here is actually the kit that they send you. As you guys can see, this is my specialized formula that I got from my dermatology provider, and you guys can check it out. It's very cool that it's personalized and stuff. This is the cleanser and this one is the moisturizer. Basically just use the cleanser in the morning and at night, and then follow that up with moisturizer again morning and night. Right before bed I use the formula and it's had really great effects on my skin, guys. I've actually seen a huge reduction in my dark spots. And what's really awesome is that Curology is actually hooking up the Untied Ohana with a special promo today, guys. If you guys go to the link in the description below, you guys will get a free month supply of Curology. Everything that I showed you guys over here, specialized formula, cleanser, and moisturizer. All you have to do is pay $5 for shipping and handling, so it's very worth it, man. That way you guys can test it out, talk to a dermatology provider, and see what they can do for your skin, man. And when you guys end up liking the product and you guys like what they're doing, you guys can keep going on and subscribing and you'll get these on a monthly basis. So really guys, check it out in the link in the description below. Highly recommend it. Thank you to Curology for sponsoring this video, and let's get into the unboxing. First things first is a Yeezy 350 box, and this shoe right here should be a pretty dope one, man. I've been excited for this one. I actually paid resale, and here it is, guys. This is actually the Yeezy Cinder Reflectives, man. And I can't really see the reflective on this, so it's kind of throwing me off. Oh, there, I guess you guys can see it kind of. Like if you pull it back farther away, you guys can see that the stripe is pretty reflective over there. I caught the Yeezy Cinders like manually on Adidas app, but I wanted the reflective ones just because I think the reflective ones are a little bit better because they have like that color contrast with that 3M stripe. So I ended up paying resale on these things, and it's strange because the reflective version for the Cinders were like only $20 higher or so, $30 maybe, than the regular non-reflective. So I was like, you know what, I'll trade in the non-reflectives and upgrade to the reflective pair. So that's what we have here today. If you guys check it out over here, this is the Yeezy Cinder Reflective pair. And as I said, this stripe right here actually has 3M, which is a lot different than the other pair, which doesn't have any 3M at all. So there's not like that reflective thing when you see a camera flash or a light crossing through it. The rest of the shoe though is exactly the same. Upper is still in that Cinder colorway, and bottoms have a little bit of like that gum bottom kind of look and that yellow boost over here, which I think is kind of cool. That's actually different than a lot of other pairs, and I honestly think this pair will explode in value over time, man. A lot of these like plain black colored Yeezys end up going up in value very much, so I think if you guys don't have these, you guys should take a look right now. And I gotta let you guys know, this is the first time I'm seeing these in person, and this is really nice. This is the Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0, and I had a feeling that these things were gonna be really cool in person, and it did not disappoint. As I'm looking at it right now, this purple is popping really good, and I actually like that this is like a majority white upper. I think it actually accentuates the purple a little bit better, and hot take, I like the 2.0 better than the 1.0. I know a lot of people think that the 1.0 is better, but for me, I think this is more clean. Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0. As you guys can see, it does have that purple upper running throughout the shoe. Like I said, this one kind of makes the purple pop a little bit more with that white upper. And I have a huge tip for you guys. If you guys didn't know, these things are trending for a little bit under $300 right now. And if you guys have the funds and you guys are trying to like resell sneakers and make money and stuff, this is one you guys should invest in. I highly recommend you guys take a look at like purchasing pairs right now on the market at resale, because I think these things will go for a lot more money down the road. You guys already know that most Jordan 1s do raise in resale value, but I think this pair in particular, a lot of people slept on it. Like a lot of people slept on how cool this pair is. So I think this one will end up blowing up for like even more money down the road, like over $400 if you guys can hold it for a couple months. One tip that I have for you guys too is if you guys don't know what to buy at resale, take a look at what sneaker shops are buying. Shops like Soul Supremacy and Sneak City are actually putting out like Insta stories and stuff saying that they're buying up Court Purple 2.0s. That's an indicator showing that they also believe that these prices are going to rise on these shoes, which is why they're trying to buy them up now when the prices are low, and then that way they can hold it for a couple months and then sell it down the road for even more money. As you guys can see, another Yeezy 350 box over here. This one is in a size 11 though, and it is the most recent Yeezy release because we have a pair over here of the Yeezy Linens, guys. Yeezy Linens. I was able to cop this one on the Adidas app. I put an entry in over there and they actually selected my name again. Way better than the sneakers app so far, surprisingly. Yeezy Linen. Don't know how I feel about this per se. I'm looking at it right now. I actually really like this blue lining that's over here and on the stripe. I'm just not sure if I like this upper. It's like a muted kind of yellow kind of look, and yeah, I'm just not sure. Surprisingly, these were trending for about over $300 when they first dropped. I think it dipped a little bit since then. I don't think that I'm gonna end up keeping this one now that I see it in hand. It is kind of cool, it's just not something for me. So I'll probably end up putting this on the channel members drop. If you guys aren't channel members, feel free to sign up because I will be selling this one on there for, let's say, 150 bucks. 150 bucks for this. Some people don't believe me when I'm talking about these prices, but because you guys are channel members and supporting me and supporting the channel, that's why I drop the prices of all of these shoes and give it to you for steals and deals. And that is actually it for the unboxing today, guys. 2 Yeezys in and 1 Jordan 1. A lot of new stuff that I've never seen before and a lot of really cool cops. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below, and also don't forget to hit the like button on this video, guys. It goes a long way in helping me and helping the channel, so please hit that thumbs up. And as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots!